EU gives cool gathering to British offer on residence rights. Reuters. Brussels. The European Union's best Brexit mediator Michel Barnier reacted coolly on Monday to London's offer on EU national rights in Britain after it leaves the EU, saying Brussels needed to get an indistinguishable level of rights from under EU law. EU objective on natives' rights, same level of assurance as an EU law. More desire, lucidity and ensures required than in today's UK position, Barnier said in a tweet. Prime Minister Theresa May uncovered points of interest of her intent to secure the privileges of EU nationals living in Britain, saying the administration would work to offer them a similar well-being, medicinal and instructive advantages as British residents. A concurrence on the post-Brexit privileges of EU nationals is one of the less demanding issues for the two sides to concede to, with both Britain and whatever is left of the alliance needing to give confirmations to a great many their natives living abroad. But the British proposition says that once Britain leaves the EU's best court, the Court of Justice of the European Union, would never again have purview in the United Kingdom in cases including EU residents. This is tricky for the EU, since EU natives in Britain, who now can advance choices of British courts to the European Court of Justice, would lose their privilege with Brexit, which means they would be more awful off than now. Some EU authorities respected a few components of the proposition at first look. There is no less than one component which has any kind of effect, specifically the sense of duty regarding disentangle the current authoritative techniques. The European Parliament's boss Brexit mediator, Guy Verhofstadt, said however, various confinements stay troubling and should be deliberately evaluated. He said in a statement the European Parliament will act to secure the privileges of EU subjects in the UK and protect the uprightness of European Union law, including the Charter of Fundamental Rights and its authorization system. He included revealing by Jen Strupczewski and Gabriela Buczynska, altering by Julia Fioretti. This story has not been altered by First Post staff and is produced via Auto Nourish.